Scan the QR code on the back of the device using your phone. Download the Printer Helper app, ensuring you select the version compatible with your phone model. Once installed, open the app and tap Accept to continue. Tap Please select a device to authorize location and wireless communication access, then tap Allow. Power on the device by connecting it to a power source, such as a power adapter, smartphone, tablet, printer, or any USB power outlet. The indicator light will flash red to confirm the power connection. Tap Please select a device again to open the device list. Match your device with the last four digits of the SN code located on the side of the device. The indicator light will flash green when the device is successfully paired. Follow the on-screen animation to insert the side of the device with the spring holder into the ink cartridge, ensuring the spring holder fully aligns with the chip's contact points. A steady green indicator light and an OK message on the screen confirm a successful upgrade. If the indicator light turns red and the screen displays NG, adjust the device according to the on-screen instructions and try again. Please note that the proper alignment is crucial for a successful upgrade. Ensure the device is correctly oriented and that the spring holder is properly aligned with the ink cartridge's contact points. Misalignment, poor contact, or detachment during the process can negatively affect the chip upgrade.